Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you this demo that how can you pull this 4.2 ratings, how many people have given this rating. So just get this URL to go to this data tab, other source, web, and put that specific URL and wait for the response. Connect this anonymously. Now I want to show you how can you get the CSS selector. So click on this, go to this specific section, or select this one if you just need the value, that is this. Right click on your mouse, copy selector, and just try that selector here, and you can see it's highlighting that specific element. So let's see if we have the response. Where is that? Oh, I think it's refreshing. Okay, so we have received a lot of tables, and I'm not interested in those tables, so I'm just going to select classroom data to get this HTML. Let's see, and get rid of this, and I am going to change that code, the advanced editor, extract HTML, and then column 1, and it's a lot of stuff there. So I'm just going to get rid of everything, and let me specify that CSS selector, and just get rid of this row selector, delete that, and look at this, we get that 4.2 ratings. Now let's suppose if I just want to get this, how many people, now how many reviews. So let's see, get that, I think, and you can see we have the ID. So just use copy selector, and look at this. So let's use that as a second column. Item, total reviews, and for that the selector is this. The selector option is required and more than all column is specified. So row selector, let's see. That is row select is equals to anything. Oh, that's weird. Okay. So we need the row selector. So let's see, find that row selector. Select this. Find that this section. So that is div ID. Copy selector. So let's use that. Now look at this. We get that total average register and how many reviews. We can just get rid of that ratings keyword later on if you want. So that's it. Thank you.